name is Jane Kelly. I had quite a problem where I had former caps and they were kind of wearing away. You could see aluminum, and I was really in trouble of losing my teeth as well. Plus it looked so awful. You know, I'd been with another practice for a long, long time. It was fine and nothing major occurred, but I had just heard so much about Dr. Carson and her expertise with cosmetic dentistry, and I knew I was involved in a lot of restorative work on my top teeth. And I just heard amazing things about her. The minute I met Dr. Carson, I was in the right place. I think I had maybe 3 or 4 visits. Most was done in a day. You know, it was so easy with working with Dr. Carson and Maria. They make you laugh all the time, and it's fun to be here. I don't remember that ever being a hardship. There's such a family here, it just put me at ease immediately. And you know, it's a decision, it's an investment, but it's the best investment to make in oneself for your self-esteem and your health. She gives you all the tools you need. Before I even had the restoration, she sent me home with a water pick device. You know, and it's just amazing, the tools that she has. She did such a beautiful job. And again, I used to put my hand over my mouth. And it bothered me more than I even realized. So to have my smile back, it was really a gift.